Here, dear students, page number 30, question number 20. What is galvanometer? Explain its work function with neat labeled diagram. Here, galvanometer. A galvanometer is a device used to detect weak electric current in a circuit. It has a coil pivoted or suspended between concave pole pieces of a strong laminated horseshoe magnet. When an electric current passes through the coil, it deflects. The deflection is proportional to the current passing through the coil. The deflection of the coil can be read with the help of a pointer attached to it. Position of the pointer on the scale shows the current passing through the galvanometer or the potential difference across it. Thus, a galvanometer can be used as an ammeter or voltmeter with a suitable modification. The galvanometer coil has a moderate or medium resistance, that is about 100 ohms, and the galvanometer itself has a small current carrying capacity about 1 milliampere. See here, this is diagram of internal structure of galvanometer. This is the pointer, this is the scale, angular scale, this is horseshoe shaped magnet, this is pointer, iron core, N and S poles, rectangular coil and spiral spring. Question number 21. How you can convert a moving coil galvanometer MCG into an ammeter, or obtain the value of shunt resistance to calculate the range of current that galvanometer can measure, and also calculate the fraction of total current through the shunt resistance. See here, answer. To convert an MCG into an ammeter, the modification necessary are: number 1, the effective current capacity must be increased to desired higher value. Number 2, its effective resistance must be decreased. The finite resistance G of galvanometer, when connected in series, here series word is important, decreases current through resistance R, which is to be measured. An ideal case, an ammeter should have zero resistance. Number 3, it must be protected from the possible damages which are likely to due to passage of excess electric current to be passed. In practice, this is obtained by connecting a low resistance in parallel with the galvanometer, which reduces resistance of galvanometer to get an ammeter. This low resistance connected in parallel is called as shunt. Shunt increases the range of an ammeter. This arrangement is shown in figure 1. Here this is figure 1 ammeter. Shunt resistance is calculated as follows. In figure, I is equal to total current, Ig is equal to current through galvanometer. Current through shunt is I minus Ig is equal to Is. Since S and G are parallel, G into Ig is equal to S into Is. Therefore, G into Ig is equal to S into I minus Ig, since I minus Ig is equal to Is. Therefore, S is equal to Ig divided by I minus Ig, equation number 1. Equation 1 is useful to calculate the range of the current that galvanometer can measure. Number 1. If the current I is N times current Ig, then I is equal to N into Ig. Using this in equation 1, we get S is equal to G into Ig divided by N into Ig. Instead of I minus Ig, Nig minus Ig. or S is equal to G divided by N minus 1. Equation number 2. This is required shunt to increase the range N times. Equation here, point 2. Also, if Is is the current through shunt resistance, then the remaining current I minus Is will flow through galvanometer. Therefore, G into bracket I minus Is is equal to S into Is. Therefore, G into I minus G into Is is equal to S into Is. That is multiplied by G into this all terms G into I minus G into S here. That is S into Is plus G into Is is equal to G into I. Therefore, Is is taken common. Is into bracket S plus G is equal to G into I. Therefore, S upon I is equal to G divided by S plus G. Equation number 3. Therefore, equation 3 gives the fraction of the total current through the shunt resistance.